Arcano Studios.
LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds can be short, like Janisco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds could be medium, like Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects can be long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Season 5 Episode 14, The Pooping Sound Effect from Creative Writing, and the characters IRL Noella.
Hello guys, IRL Noella here. In this episode, I'm gonna talk about the pooping sound effect from Creative Writing. It was heard in a video called Warning, Gacha Diarrhea, Star has Diarrhea on Moon. Short. It was uploaded 1 month ago on September 1st, 2025. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 003 to 011. The lofi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for my O-season characters when they poop in the toilet, including Untold Loneliness Oswald. Remember kids, if you want to use this sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to Creative Writing before using her sound effect. And I'm going to link this video right here, and it will be in the description. The sound effect from this video starts at 003 and ends at 011. Make sure you remove the lofi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in the next episode when I feature another character.